SpaceX's ambitious Starship project has suffered another major setback. During a scheduled static fire test today at the company's Boca Chica facility, a prototype of the Starship vehicle exploded, sending shockwaves, both literal and figurative, through the aerospace community. The incident occurred during what was supposed to be a routine static fire test, a critical step in preparing the rocket's engines for future launches. According to reports and eyewitness footage, the vehicle appeared stable during engine ignition, but seconds later, a sudden explosion engulfed the lower section of the rocket in flames. The blast was powerful enough to cause visible damage to the launch pad infrastructure. Emergency protocols were immediately activated, and SpaceX personnel were evacuated. A static fire test involves firing the rocket engines while the vehicle remains bolted to the ground. It is meant to validate everything from fuel flow and engine ignition systems to thermal shielding and ground infrastructure. For SpaceX, these tests are a routine, but absolutely essential part of qualifying a rocket for Starship, designed as the most powerful space launch vehicle in history, uses up to 33 Raptor engines in its super heavy booster, and any malfunction, however small, can lead to catastrophic results. As of this recording, SpaceX has not released an official cause for the explosion. However, early speculation points to a possible overpressurization in the lower engine compartment or a failure within one or more of the Raptor engines. Several engineers and analysts following the live stream noted unusual vibration and exhaust color just before the explosion, a possible sign of internal anomalies. Thankfully, no injuries have been reported. The test site was cleared of all non-essential personnel, and safety protocols seem to have functioned as intended. This explosion comes at a critical time with increasing pressure from NASA, especially as Starship is slated to play a major role in the Artemis moon missions and the upcoming Starlink satellite. Any major delay could have ripple effects throughout the company's roadmap. This is not the first explosion in the Starship program, and likely one to be the last. But each failure provides critical data that engineers use to refine the design. Elon Musk has previously stated that rapid iteration and learning from failure is baked into SpaceX's development philosophy. Despite today's setback, Starship remains central to SpaceX's long-term vision, a fully reusable rocket capable of carrying humans to the moon, Mars, and beyond. NASA has already selected a version of Starship as the human landing system for its Artemis 3 mission to return astronauts to the moon. SpaceX also plans to use Starship for future Starlink mega-constellation launches, cargo delivery, and eventually interplanetary transport. In the coming days, we expect an official statement from SpaceX detailing what went wrong. An investigation into the explosion will likely include engine diagnostics, ground system telemetry, and structural analysis. If the past is any indicator, SpaceX will bounce back quickly. Previous explosions, including the infamous SN4 and SN10 incidents, led to improved versions of the Starship design in record time. This is a developing story, and we'll be following it closely. Despite the explosion, SpaceX remains the most aggressive and innovative spaceflight company in the world. And today, S failure may just pave the way for tomorrow. S success! What do you think this means for SpaceX's future? Will Starship meet its ambitious goals, or are cracks starting to show in the foundation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more real-time space updates and deep dives. Thanks for watching! If you want to stay informed on the future of spaceflight, from SpaceX to NASA and beyond, hit that notification bell so you never miss a launch, a test, or a headline.